What's up, guys? Firehouse here. I got a few little tips and tricks for you guys that I wanted to show you that could probably help you, gain some knowledge for all new and advanced traders coming. So, first thing I want to show y'all is I highly recommend y'all joining the free Vision Discord. Tons of knowledge in there, tons of great people. They offer quite a few different services. They just launched a 90-day mentorship. After 90 days, if you feel like it hasn't helped you, uh, they're even giving you 100% money back. It's something I'd really look into. They even have a few videos that's free to the public. There's tons of videos. There's live streams in there for the whole 90 days that you have access to. And even after the 90 days, you still have access to the mentorship material within, so you can keep going back and review and stay tip top on it. A cool tool that the Vision Group has actually made is the Vision Mentor Toolbox. It comes with the mentorship for life, so you always have this no matter what. Just shows and makes things a little easier for you that you learn throughout the course to help you notice, help you find. It's a very neat and very useful tool. The other thing that they really offer is the Vision tool. Vision does a lot of things. It does a lot of prediction signals. There's a few different settings that you can go back and forth on to fit whatever style is best for you. It automatically draws trend lines. Uh, Man, it just does a lot. There's just a lot of things I go on so much about Vision. The other thing to add is Vision has a bunch of free tools as well that can help you. That's open to the public. So they definitely have a lot to offer to the table that I recommend looking at. And then lastly, after you join the free Discord and you checked out the mentorship and you checked everything out, for the ones that are needing a broker to start trading, I highly, I can't say this enough, highly recommend Athens. Super, super sweet uh, company to trade under. Super tight spreads, low commission. There's no spread manipulation. And like, some places do, you can have your stop loss and all of a sudden randomly the spread widens and hits your stop or whatever. No, Athens is where it's at. I highly recommend y'all checking it out. I'll have a link for that down below as well. I'm going to try to get some content out for y'all. I'm also going to work on doing some live streams. Just bear with me. Kind of new to this, but I'm trying to help share the wealth and get everybody up to par. Because trust me, I know what it's like to be scrambling through YouTube trying to figure out what's what. So I definitely recommend y'all checking out these few things, and see y'all around.